Hey guys, today we'll be making a 3-ingredient chocolate mousse. It's completely egg-free, gelatin-free, and it comes together in a jiffy. So let's get on with it.
To start with, we'll be adding some hot fresh cream to our chopped chocolate and let it melt completely. Once our chocolate is melted, we leave the mixture to come to room temperature. In another bowl, we'll be taking some whipping cream and start beating it using an electric beater till it reaches the soft peak stage. We'll be adding our chocolate mixture to the whipped cream in 3 parts, and after each addition we'll be beating it slightly to combine it properly. After so much of beating, our super easy chocolate mousse is ready to eat, and look how gorgeous the texture is. I'm piping the mousse in a dessert glass, but if you don't have a piping bag, you can simply use a spoon. I'm also adding some dark chocolate chunks on top because there's no such thing as too much chocolate.
I promise you this dessert is so creamy, you would love it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you try this recipe out, do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Until next time.